Sales Hub connects revenue, products, orders, returns and profit in one operating workflow. A rise in sales does not prove the business earned more. Tax, returns, Amazon fees, advertising and product costs can move profit the other way. Keep one period and marketplace filter as you move through every tab. This keeps comparisons consistent and traces each change to its operational cause. Overview answers what the business generated and what it kept. Gross revenue includes tax, net revenue removes it. Profit and margin show the result. Sales shows which products drove the result. Compare contribution, margin and efficiency. Marketplace filters reveal concentration. Orders shows the transactions behind the totals. Search records by product, marketplace or status. Returns shows where revenue and margin leak. Compare rate, products and countries, then export cases for follow-up. Charts shows change over time. Trends, product concentration, market mix and returns reveal growth quality. P&L answers why profit moved. It reconciles revenue with cost of goods, Amazon fees, advertising, returns and reimbursements. Resolve cost warnings before trusting margin. Keep filters and download P&L. The workbook preserves the selected period and marketplace for review, sharing or further analysis. The result is repeatable. Find the movement, trace drivers, reconcile costs, and document evidence. Start your free trial at SellerEngine.app and make every sales decision from a reconciled P&L.